Welcome to Connor 98 Discovery Channel. Today, we will explore an exciting and surprising journey about a familiar vegetable in every meal, carrots. Did you know that carrots are a nutritious vegetable that brings many health benefits? Containing lots of beta-carotene, carrots help improve vision and protect the eyes. The fiber in carrots aids digestion and weight control, while vitamin C and other antioxidants help strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of cancer. Carrots are also good for the heart, helping to reduce cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure. In addition, carrots provide minerals such as calcium and vitamin K, which help maintain bone and dental health. In particular, carrots are an important source of folate for pregnant women, supporting fetal development. Let's explore with me from growing crops to how carrots are brought to supermarket shelves. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting videos. To grow carrots, farmers must prepare many steps. First, they need to plow the land, making it about 12 to 14 inches deep to ensure the soil drains well. Loamy and sandy soils are ideal for growing carrots because they help the roots grow easily. The top carrot-producing states are California, Washington, and Texas. California produces more than 85% of all carrots grown in the United States. States depend on crop and consumer temperature climate zones to start their growing seasons. In addition, manure and microbial organic fertilizer are also added to improve soil quality. Avoid applying too much nitrogen fertilizer, as this can make the carrots bitter or of poor quality. After preparing the land, the seeding machine started working. Let's take a look inside one of the seed boxes. As you can see these carrots, the seeds are very small. Small carrot seeds are due to the natural characteristics of the carrot plant. Small seeds make it easier for plants to spread and germinate. Carrot seeds will be sown at speed about 1 million seeds per acre. If farmers supply carrots to a processing market, the planting density will increase to about 1.3 million seeds per acre. Carrot seeds usually take 7 to 21 days to germinate. After germination, the seedlings will grow for 2 to 3 weeks before having their first true leaves. During this time, farmers will regularly water and control pests, maintain a good quality crop. Most carrot varieties take 65 to 75 days from sowing to harvest. Modern technology is changing the way we produce and harvest agricultural products, helping farmers save time and effort while ensuring the best product quality. The giant harvesters here can harvest from 110,000 to 195,000 pounds of carrots per hour, equivalent to the work of 280 migrant workers. According to 2023 data, the United States has about 69.7 acres of farmland used to grow carrots, produces 3.4 billion pounds, about 87% of U.S. carrot production. In addition to California, states such as Texas, Washington, and Michigan also participate in carrot production, accounting for 11% of the total national production. After harvest, hundreds of millions of pounds of carrots are transported to factories to be processed into various products. In California, 75% of carrots are consumed fresh at farmers markets and supermarkets. Now let's see how carrots are processed after being harvested before they appear in supermarkets. First, the carrots are washed to remove soil, sand, and impurities, using clean water and an automatic scrubbing system. Next, carrots are selected and classified, removing damaged or substandard ones to ensure product quality. Then, carrots are packaged and stored in packaging such as plastic bags, boxes, or vacuum packaging, keeping the product fresh longer and ensuring hygiene. Finally, fresh carrot products are transported to retailers, supermarkets, or distribution points to reach consumers. This process ensures that the carrots always maintain their quality and freshness. Carrots can not only be eaten raw or cooked, but can also be processed into delicious juice and nutritional supplements. Let's see the process of producing carrot juice. So we have explored the journey of carrots from the field to the table. Carrots are not only a familiar vegetable, but also contain many interesting uses and stories. Let's try to learn and discover more about different types of carrots. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. And please share with me your favorite way to enjoy carrots. See you in the next video.